Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a highly requested video for you guys. This is like, I'm excited because it's like my favorite part of the video making process. And so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my videos. A lot of people have been asking, and I tell them iMovie, but you know, I'm taking the time out to actually show you guys how I make my videos crisp and clear, and I'm gonna also be giving you all some little secrets. As y'all know, or as I just told y'all, I use iMovie to edit, and iMovie comes on Macs, but I know that y'all see some plugins, you know, throughout my videos which aren't on iMovie. So I'm here to show you all that, and I just don't feel like it was like reasonable to pay $300 for Final Cut Pro. If y'all don't know what that is, it's like another editing software. Mostly like all the YouTubers use it, I guess. Because it has like plugins, it has like a lot more options. But, you know, me being the person that I am, you know, I'm just going to find a way to do the same thing. So that's what today's video is about. And so if you want to know how to add plugins, if you want to know how, you know, I edit my videos, then keep watching. Also guys, so I know that y'all see this like full screen, but I'm going to be using this video to demonstrate, if that makes sense. So when I import this from my camera to my computer, I'm going to screen record myself editing this particular video, but I'm going to already have it edited so y'all could see it. That makes no sense, but y'all will see when it comes together. That's the lovely part about editing. Like, oh, I just love it. But yeah, so keep watching guys, and I hope you before we even get started with this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep watching. Okay, so first we're just gonna be taking the pictures that we imported, and we're gonna just drag those down to our timeline. That's what it's called. So that's all that I'm editing right now. So the very first thing I like to do is change the white balance. So when my videos be looking all bright and stuff, it's because I changed the white balance, because I don't like the way that it comes off my camera. It's hard when you have two separate clips because the lighting can like touch in different places, so the balance won't be the same, if that makes sense. So that's why you see like the two different hues of colors, because the light hit in different directions and it just wasn't the same. And y'all see I keep clicking it. It may not look noticeable, but I can notice it, like the tones of color, like my skin, it changes. So the next thing that I do is I see that it's way too loud. Like, I'm not trying to make y'all deaf. So I go and I turn the audio a bit down. In the second clip, you can see how it's yellow. That means it's way too loud and you need to turn it down. So sometimes I just lose my train of thought and I have pauses in my video, and this is how I cut them out. I split the clip and then I just delete it. Like, I just press the delete key. So now we have a smooth sailing video, no pauses. At the end of my clips, I, you know, turn the camera off, like I stop recording, and I don't like showing that part. So again, I'm gonna split the clip and I'm just going to delete that so you won't see me reaching for the camera. So I'm trying to change like the tone again. It was just bothering me. Like, I don't know, I was just playing around with it because I just wanted it to be perfect. So that's all I'm doing right here. Okay, so now I'm working on the second clip, turning the volume down like I said. Audio just makes it more clear sounding, I guess, I don't know. So basically what this clip is, I'm basically just watching it through to make sure that, you know, I didn't mess up or anything. And so I just fast forwarded it because y'all can't even hear it anyway. So I reached for the camera at the end again, so I just split that and I just cut it out. And then this part, excuse all my footages or whatever. So I'm looking for my intro. My intro is just saved in the iMovie. That's what I love about iMovie. It's somewhere around here. There it is. So I just changed the sound or the volume on my intro too, because it needs to be loud but not too loud. Like I said, I'm not trying to make y'all deaf. So now it's time for me to add the transitions. So before my intro, I like to use fade to white because it's a white intro. And after my intro, I like to use cross dissolve because I feel like it just dissolves right into the video so smoothly. And so for like after a video or like after a clip, I always add slide right, the transition. Like I just honestly love slide right. It's just, I don't know, I feel like it's so like neat, I guess. Okay, so many of you guys have asked me how I edit or how I add things like the subscribe button or whatever. So I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna go to YouTube, and in the search bar we're gonna type green screen subscribe button, and it's gonna bring you all these options, and you just click the one that you want. Then we're gonna just go to this website. I kind of freezed it for y'all because I know I was kind of moving kind of fast, but this website. You want to copy the link from the video, and then you want to paste it onto the website, and just click download, y'all. Like, it's that easy. And then it's saved to your computer as an MP4. So you can either import it or you can drag it straight from the download bar thingy to your TO or to your video. I like to just drag it because I have so many documents, y'all. So basically what I'm doing now is just trying to fit the video within my words. So when I say subscribe, I want the subscribe button to pop up. So it's all about like the timing. So I just delete the end of the video because it's just like a repetitive loop kind of thing. You know, I make it short, I make it go once, and then it's done. So this is the funnest part. iMovie has like a green screen video overlay type of thing. And so here's how it works. Alright, so you want to click the little two boxes. It's going to bring a drop down menu. Click green/blue screen. And boom. It's just that easy, y'all. Hey guys, so I forgot to record an outro, so I'm editing, but I just wanted to say that if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and any questions, you want anything explained, don't hesitate to comment below, and I got y'all.